Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus. And to do this, first we'll need to open this hatch right here. Then inside you should be able to find the reset, and let me show you that in a second. So there it is. And now what we need to do is take something very thin like the SIM ejection tool that I have right here, and we need to stick it in there, and also make sure that your robot is powered on. Okay, now when it's fully powered on, we can click on that reset button and hold it for a few seconds. Now I hold it for around 20 seconds and it will restore to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.